In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see voided invoices in Xero quickly and easily. Managing your finances is crucial, and keeping track of voided invoices is an essential part of that process. With Xero's intuitive interface, this task becomes a breeze. So, let's dive in, and I'll guide you through the steps to view these specific invoices with ease. Start by navigating to the top bar of your Xero dashboard, where you'll find various options available to you. Look for the option labeled Sales and give it a click. Doing this will reveal a drop-down menu, allowing you to select specific sales-related features you're interested in. From this drop-down, you'll want to choose Invoices. This action will lead you directly to the section where all your invoices are neatly listed. Now that you've arrived at the Invoices section, direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the invoice table list. Here, you'll find the Search option. This is a powerful tool that allows you to fine-tune your search criteria, making it easier to find precisely what you're looking for. Click on Search to access more settings for your search query. With the search panel open, you'll notice a variety of options to help filter the invoices. To ensure that voided and deleted invoices are included in your search, there's a specific box you need to check. Look for the option that reads Include deleted and voided and tick that box. Once you've done that, go ahead and click on the Search button to initiate the filtering process. This ensures that your list of invoices will reflect not only active ones, but also the voided and deleted. Now that your invoices have been filtered accordingly, it's time to sort them by status. Sorting by status is a very effective way to locate the specific invoices you're interested in. When you organize your list this way, you'll easily be able to identify the voided and deleted invoices amongst all others, allowing you to review them as necessary. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully accessed and viewed voided invoices in Xero. Keeping track of such invoices is a key element in maintaining accurate financial records and assisting in financial reporting. By following these steps, you assure yourself that no detail goes unnoticed in your comprehensive financial overview. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found these instructions clear and helpful. Be sure to check back for more straightforward guides on utilizing Xero to its full potential in your business or personal finance management.